Hello and welcome to Excel-Templates.com. This is Steve equals true. Please visit my site at Excel-Templates.com where you're sure to learn the latest posts, tips, tricks, and techniques, everything about Excel. All right, before we begin with this video, I wanted to say a big thank you to all of my new subscribers and past subscribers over the last several months. I've been seeing a great uptick on those, as well as everyone who's given me a like. I really appreciate it. It helps me with everything I'm trying to do here. Also, if you're not a subscriber, please click on that subscribe icon and then hit the bell notification button right next to the subscribe icon so that you're sure to get the next post delivered directly to your inbox. All right, today I wanted to show you a very cool new feature in Excel 2013, Excel 2016. Noticed it was not on my Excel 2010 version. It's called Flash Fill, and it's not something if you haven't seen it before, you may not know it's there. But if you have a string of data that all may be different or unique, but have similar patterns within the data, so you'll notice I've got a slash here before Layla Kai at Made Up Company, Bell Crook at Made Up Company. There's a slash, there's spaces after it, but they're all kind of random as to where it is in the data string. Well, Excel's new Flash Fill feature, which is really awesome, will help you get data out of other texts quickly and easily. Let me show you how that works. So we've got our string of text here. I'm going to go over and I'm going to create just the first name, a whole column of just first names. So I'm going to type in Layla, hit enter. Now I'm going to go up to my home ribbon. I'm going to go over to my fill pick list, and under fill you'll see there's something here that says Flash Fill. Automatically fills in values. Enter a couple of examples you want as output and keep the active cell in the column you want filled in. So when I hit Flash Fill, it is going to get all of our first names in that column. So look, Bell, Efren, Gidget, Sabine, all of our first names are there. You can do the same thing with the last names, K-A-I. Hit enter, and you don't actually even have to be on that cell. You just have to be in that column. Go over to Fill on your home menu, Flash Fill. Look at that. It filled in all of the last names of my data from over on the left-hand side. Really simple technique for you to be able to get your email addresses as well. Layla.kai@madeupcompany.com. Hit enter, and you can be anywhere within that or on it, and go up to your fill drop-down box and Flash Fill, and it will grab all of your email addresses, as you can see, all the way down throughout the data. Really cool technique. It will allow you to do some different things if you didn't want to do capital, or let's say you wanted Layla all capitalized, L-E-I-L-A. I'm going to do that. I'm going to delete my other data just to make sure we don't cause any problems. But let's say I wanted I wanted Layla, Bell, everyone to be capitalized. If I capitalize it in the sample data, go up to Fill, Flash Fill. Notice it capitalizes Bell, Efren, Lita. Everybody is now capitalized. So it takes that same data, even though it is not capitalized, and knows how I want to display that in the end. Why is that important? Let's say you had a phone number over here. Had no dashes, but you want dashes. You can get that data out and then also add the dashes within it, your new data range as well. So hopefully you found Flash Fill really cool, and you're going to use it to save yourself some time to get data that is within text out more quickly and easily if there is some sort of pattern, and let Excel do the work for you. Thanks for watching my video. Remember to hit the like button and leave a comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my video channel by clicking on the EDT logo, and then scroll down and click on the bell icon to turn on notifications. If you need more details or links, click on the step-by-step image. Finally, check out these other videos you might also like.